Bianca, Beckany, Karen, and we're the 4th of July moms, and it's 2026. Coconut water sponsor us! Safety rule number 1. Never put your fireworks down. Oh. Coconut water saves the day. Coconut water sponsor us! Safety tip number 2. Never play with fireworks without an adult. My skin! I really wish I had coconut. But don't worry, kids, because coconut water saves the day. Coconut water can save us all. Coconut water sponsor us.
Tip number 3. Never stand in front of fireworks.
Yes, I like. Oh, shucks.
Coconut water!
Coconut water, help! Ah! Ah! Coconut water can save the day, kids.
Coconut water!
Coconut water sponsor us.
Safety tip number 4. Never mix power tools and dynamite together while lighting your fire.
Oh no!
What happened, Bethany?
It's Beckany, Karen. Say it right. The final and 5th safety tip. Always use coconut waters for incidents, injuries, and to put out fireworks. Today we're using our dear friend Karen as a sacrifice to show you what we can do with coconut water. Light 'em up, Bianca!
Use the dynamite. Oh, clock it clean.
Clock it! Now, kids, coconut water saves everything, even death. But Karen's not dead. She's just injured. Oh no.
Wait. Why isn't she waking up?
Karen? Karen, no!
Karen was always a great woman. She was always so dedicated and joyful. She always was so unwilling. Always helped us film our fireworks safety tip mom. For all the kids. Great woman.
I loved her sugar-free, wheat-free, dairy-free chocolate chip cookies with extra butter. They were so delicious.
She never told us the recipe.
We're gonna die without them ever again. And I loved her celery sticks and her butt, but like
She looks
Like, Karen's kind of like did suck, bro.
But anyways,
always and forever. Coconut water sponsor us.
sponsor us, coconut water. And remember, kids,
Until 2027, my coconut.
we love you. Mwah. Stay safe.
Bye, queen.
Coconut water sponsor us!